how to use Gmail, Keep Notes, and Google Calendar together. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can use Gmail, Google Calendar, and Keep Notes together in order to customize your work experience and create an amazing workspace of your own. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Gmail. In Gmail, we know that we have our own inbox and we simply receive and send emails. But do you know that we can actually use our Gmail with our Google Calendar and Google Keep Notes as well? If we go to New tab and go to Google Apps right here, then you will see that we have all of our Google Apps available. And the most famous Google apps are Gmail, Google Calendar, and Keep Notes. We can obviously use them separately and we can access their features and tools. But we can also use them together in order to create our own professional emails with our calendar view and add our notes from our Keep Notes. So let me show you how to do that. What you have to do is you will simply open up your Gmail. This is my Gmail right here. Now I want to go ahead and create an email that has notes and that also has my Google Calendar in. So how to access your Google Calendar and your Keep Notes from your Gmail? You simply click right here and on this option right here, Show Side Panel. In our side panel, we get Google Calendar and Keep Notes as default. So you don't need to add integration by yourself, it's already there. To access to your Gmail, Keep Notes, and Google Calendar, of course, you will require a Google account. And after that, you don't need any sign up or you don't need to create a new account. So you have your own Gmail. And you can see right here, I have Calendar and Keep Notes. Let's go ahead and compose a new email. When it comes to creating your own new email, you can simply go ahead and add to subject the way we simply create our email. And then you can simply go ahead and avail different features. Now, let's say that I have this email right here. Before I send an email, let's go ahead and create an event. So this is the email that I received and I opened it up from my inbox. Let's say that this was an email and I wanted to create a meeting according to this email right here. Now, I don't have to go to Google Calendar separately and get the dates and everything and create an event. I can simply go ahead and create an event from my Gmail using Google Calendar. What you have to do is simply click on these three dots right here. Then you will find the option of Create Event. Click on Create Event and it will open up your Google Calendar. Now you can see I have the same title as the email that I just opened. But I want to, of course, change the title. If you do not want to change the title, you keep it that way, but I want to change it. There you go. Now again, simply how we create a meeting on Google Calendar, I can simply go ahead and do that. But there is a difference. You can see right here, in description, I actually have the email for what I was creating an event for. This is the information that I want to my event. And you can see right here, it is automatically added in here. And we also have the email address from where I received this email. So this is how simply Google Calendar will fetch all of the information from your Gmail in order to create a new meeting. And I don't have to go to Google Calendar separately. I can simply use my Google Calendar with my Gmail. Now let's simply create a meeting. Once you have added all of the information for your meeting, you can simply go ahead and click on Save. You can see right here, we can not only use our Google Calendar, Gmail, and Keep Notes together, but we can also join our Google Meet and we can integrate our Google Meet into it. So it's really easy for us to access all of these different apps from Google all at once. Now let's click on Save and create an event. Now I can simply go ahead and send this email to my calendar guest list. In here, I don't have to go ahead and add emails separately. The email will be automatically added from where I started. But for now, I'm going to click on Do Not Send. You can see right here, now I have this event right here on my Google Calendar. Let's go back to our Gmail. And let's say that I wanted to add different notes. So when it comes to adding notes, simply click on Keep Notes and it will open up all of your notes available. Now I can simply go ahead and I can get all of the information from a note and add it to my email. Let's say that I wanted to compose an email. Now I can simply go ahead and copy this one and I can paste it right here. You can see I didn't have to go to my Keep Notes again and open it up, go through all of this hassle. I can simply go ahead and access all of my notes from here. When we're creating emails, it is really important and we sometimes forget that what information we needed to add. So this way, what we can do is simply create a note first, and then we can simply go ahead and add that information to our email when we are composing it. This way, you will be able to save time and you will be able to create a professional email without forgetting anything. We can simply go ahead and create a new note from our Gmail as well. You can see right here, I am on my Gmail, I am not on my Keep Notes. And I can simply go ahead and take a note. But here's the difference. You can see right here, this email is already added to my notes right here, the email that I have opened up. So this way I can simply go ahead and create a note about an email without copying this email and adding it to my Google Keep Notes, because this will automatically add it when I will access my Keep Notes from my Gmail. And this is how we can simply go ahead and open an email as well. You can see right here, this email is added. There you go. I opened this Gmail from my Keep Notes that I have opened up on my Gmail. This is how it works. They are all integrated and you can access any feature anytime. You can access Google Keep Notes from your calendar. You can access your calendar from your Gmail, and you can access your Gmail from your Google Calendar. And it becomes really easy for you to work, and you can create your own Google Workspace. And the best thing is that all of these different features are for free and you get them with your Google account. So if you're thinking of buying a pricing plan and getting a new platform, then you don't need to, because you are getting a professional Gmail, calendar, and notes right here with your Google account. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use your Gmail, Google Calendar, and Keep Notes together to create an amazing workspace of your own. You can now access any feature anytime from your Gmail and become more efficient. If this video was a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.